Hi guys, you welcome back to my channel. You are welcome back. You are welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be showing how to prepare soya beans beef fresh. Soya beans beef fresh. In this soya beans beef fresh, I'm adding groundnuts and dates to give me a sweet taste, a sweet and a sweet flavor. So like this video, give a thumbs up, share with friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe so that you will not miss any of my videos. Thank you. Yeah guys, preparing these soya beans, I'm using 13 cups to prepare the beef fresh. Then the groundnut, I'm using 4 cups of groundnut. Then a cup of dates. I'm using 1 cup of dates. So I'll wash my soya beans, dry it. After selecting the soya beans, sometimes it contains some dirt particles, sand and so on. So I have to select it, then wash it, quickly wash it so that it will not soak. I'll quickly wash it 2 times, then dry it. Make sure it is very dry before I roast it. So I'll roast it to brown color, then roast the groundnut, then my dates, then peel it, then mix it together and grind for my beef fresh. So like this video, give a thumbs up, give a thumbs up. Oh, don't forget to give a thumbs up and leave your comments on the comment section. See you in my next video. So I'm going to sun it now. I'm going to put it under the sun for it to dry before I will fry it, because I'm doing soya beans powder. So my charcoal stove is ready. So I will place my pot on it. Then I will add salt. I'm using salt to fry it, to roast it, to roast the beans, soya beans. So guys, after washing the soya beans, as you can see, I dry it. I told you I'm going to dry it. It is dry. So now I'm going to fry it. I'm going to roast it. As you can see, the pot is on fire. I will use salt to roast the soya beans. So after roasting, I will take it to big machine for grinding. So that is the salt that I'm going to use. So I'll allow the salt to dry before adding the soya beans. So when you are using salt, you have to allow your salt to dry before adding the soya beans. So as you can see, the salt is dry now. So I'm going to add my soya beans. I'm not going to fry it at once, bit by bit, so that I'll be able to roast it well. So I'm going to check. I'm going to check whether it's ready. You see, it is ready now. We are going to roast it until it is brown. So after frying it, roasting it, this is how it looks like. So we are going to take it to take it for blending. And this is my groundnut. I've roasted it, and this is dates that I'm going to add to it for my some brown. So I said after roasting the soya beans, it is ready now. You can hear the sound is dry enough. So I'm taking it for grinding. Then I'll mix it with groundnut. The groundnut equally is roasted. Then with dates to give me a sweet taste. So when I'm adding it to my milk, to my tea, or to my pap, no need to add sugar. and milk. So after grinding it or blending it, you allowed it to cold before packaging it. Yeah, guys, I've finished blending my soya beans powder. Use it for your tea, for your pap, whatsoever you want to use it for, you use it. So as you finish blending it like this, you allowed it to cold before packaging. Thank you. See you in my next video.